Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Jeep JK Hood Latch is probably one of the most important safety features on your Jeep, ensuring your engine stays safely tucked away while you're on and off the road. A faulty latch can lead to a variety of issues, from a flapping hood at highway speeds to the inconvenience of a hood that won't stay closed. In this video, we will explore what makes a great hood latch, and help you choose the perfect replacement or upgrade for your Jeep JK. Number 5. Rugged Ridge Hood Catch Kit. This kit provides a direct fit for your Jeep Wrangler JK, offering a stylish and functional upgrade. It's designed to eliminate hood flutter and ensure a secure hood closure. The durable aluminum hood catches are precisely sized for your Jeep. They're easy to install and come with all the necessary hardware. It's a simple bolt-on installation. This kit is a superior replacement for the original equipment, built to last longer and withstand more abuse. These rust-proof latches are built for off-road adventures. They'll keep your hood securely in place, even on the toughest terrains. Rugged Ridge offers a wide range of high-quality Jeep parts and accessories. We've got everything from axles and lift kits to seat covers and floor liners. We stand behind our products. This kit comes with a 5-year warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. What we like. It offers adjustability for a perfect fit and is built to last. The robust build ensures it can handle tough conditions. If you value a long-lasting, reliable product with a solid warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. These really are excellent hood latches, and are far superior to the stock Jeep latches. There is a noticeable decrease in hood chatter, and provide a much more rugged appearance. The stock plastic Jeep latches also turn gray with time, so these aluminum ones solve that issue as well. It's amazing how much better quality these are than the cheaply made and poorly functioning OEM latches that came with my Jeep JK Rubicon Unlimited. They look so much better and the hood flutter on the highway is gone. These lock down the hood of your Jeep tight and will not fade or weaken due to weather. Easy install in less than 20 minutes and are adjustable. Number 4. RT-TCZ Wrangler Hood Latches. It fits various Jeep Wrangler models, including JK, JKU, JL, JLU, and Gladiator JT. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of years and models. These latches give your Jeep a cooler, sportier look. They're a great way to upgrade your vehicle's appearance. Made from durable die-cast electroplated stainless steel and aluminum alloy, they're built to last. They resist heat and scratches, keeping your hood secure even off-road. Installation is quick and easy, it's a direct replacement for worn-out factory latches. You'll have them installed in no time. We're confident you'll love them, but if not, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. We also provide premium support and a 1-year aftercare service. What we like. This is compatible with a wide range of Jeep models, giving it great versatility. Its unique design will make your Jeep stand out. If you're looking for a stylish and durable upgrade that fits multiple Jeep models, this is a great choice. What people say. They look great, they feel heavy-duty, and they were fairly easy to install. Easy install, see the pic. These are the tools I used and I did not remove my front grille. Took 30 minutes start to stop. I used a 10mm and 13mm socket, and a 4mm and 5mm ball head Allen wrench. The trick was to use one 4-inch socket with a small, tiny, ratchet to reach the bolt, see pic. Easy off. To install, you don't try and thread the nut to the bolt, you hold the nut over the hole with your fingers and then thread the bolt from the outside. That way you just hold the bolt in your fingers and all the turning is done from the outside using fingers or Allen wrench. Easy adjustment, loosening the top hood bolts and sliding latch up or down 1-2. The nylon lock nuts assure work will not come loose from vibration. Got these for my 08 Rubicon. These are way more sturdy than stock. They appear much more beefy and hold the hood down well enough that there is no more flutter at highway speeds. They are fairly simple to install if you have a small ratchet with 13mm and 10mm sockets. Number 3. Daystar JK Hood Latch. Does your Jeep Wrangler's hood shake at highway speeds? This upgrade solves that problem, once and for all. It's a simple fix for a common Jeep JK issue. Say goodbye to annoying hood flutter and hello to a more secure ride. It replaces the weak factory rubber components with a much more robust design. This ensures a secure and reliable hood closure. This upgrade is designed for straightforward installation. You'll have it installed in minutes and back on the road. Don't let a flimsy hood latch ruin your driving experience. Order yours today and experience the difference. This is a direct replacement for the factory latch on your Jeep Wrangler JK. It's a perfect fit for models from 2007 to 2018. What we like. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. It effectively solves the problem of hood flutter at speed. If you're bothered by a shaky hood, this is an easy fix. Number 2. JK Hood Latches for Jeep Wrangler. Are you tired of that annoying hood flutter? These latches provide a secure and stable hood closure, eliminating that bothersome noise and movement. It's not just about eliminating flutter, they also add a layer of security. Now, only you can open your hood with the key. Unlike other latches, these are built to last. We've improved the design to prevent them from falling off, ensuring long-term performance. Made from high-quality aluminum, they are resistant to rust and fading. Enjoy lasting durability and a sleek look. These latches are specifically designed for Jeep Wrangler JK models from 2007 to 2018. They're a perfect fit and easy to install. Installation is a breeze. Simply replace your old latches with these, no drilling required. Check out the instructions for a step-by-step guide. What we like. It adds an extra layer of security to your Jeep. The robust design ensures it won't fall off, and the aluminum construction prevents rust. If you prioritize security and durability, this is a great option. What people say. Put on a 2003 Jeep Wrangler. The alignment holes fit perfect. Great replacement over the factory rubber mounts. Nice look and great functionality. Very durable, simple to install. The Tsukimichi JK Hood Latches were exactly what I needed to replace my worn-out factory latches on my Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited. Not only do these look great with a more rugged design, but the locking feature gives me peace of mind knowing my hood is securely latched, even on rough off-road terrain. Installation was a breeze, and they fit perfectly. The quality is top-notch, sturdy and durable, and they eliminate the hood flutter I used to get at higher speeds. Needed a little more stability and security for my Jeep hood. These are built tough, mounting hardware seems quality, installation was simple, and they look amazing. Number 1. MWNYO Jeep Hood Latches. Enhance your Jeep style with these unique hood latches. They're designed to give your vehicle a personalized touch and improve its functionality. These latches are compatible with various Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator models, from 2007 to the present. Ensure a precise fit for your specific vehicle. They're constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy and stainless steel for lasting performance. These latches are built to withstand the elements and provide reliable hood security. Installation is a breeze. No drilling is required, simply replace your existing latches. Detailed instructions and videos are available to guide you. These latches are adjustable, allowing for easy opening and closing. They'll eliminate hood flutter, even in harsh weather conditions. These stylish latches are the perfect addition for any Jeep enthusiast looking to personalize their ride. They're a great way to express your unique style. What we like. It's easy to install and offers adjustability for a precise fit. Its strong construction eliminates hood flutter. If you want a simple, strong upgrade that's easy to install, this is perfect for you. What people say. Fit and finish is good. Install is easy. A better option than the factory latches in both quality and looks. My JK hood used to jump up and down at highway speeds. These latches solved the problem completely. They are nicely made and are of very high quality. Simple install, look sharp and operate great. Exact OEM fit for my 08 Wrangler. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.